Hello and welcome to MTDCNC India. Today we are here at Krypton Corporation stall and who's the channel partner for Absolent Filtermist India Private Limited. And I'm here with Filtermist Sales Manager Mr. Dinesh Tiwari. Thank you Dinesh for inviting us here.
Thanks Ashutosh and MTDCNC India team for visiting our stall. And thank you very much. And as you know, our Filtermist technology actually a patented technology, centrifugal technology, and we are very popular in India. And we have done more than we have supplied lots of mist collector for thousands of applications, successful running mist collector over than 7,000 installation in India as well.
7,000 installations in India.
Yeah, in
Really
India
nice.
right now, and thousands of application also. So it's a very popular in India, and we are growing fast.
So in Hyderabad region, I think you are specifically targeting aerospace and defense
Yes,
market.
exactly. You are right. So we have a targeted aerospace industry here, and we also discussing with some customers also, and we are receiving a very good response from them.
Yes, I have seen a lot of
Yeah.
inquiries are coming at your stall. A lot of customers.
Lots of customers have visited
we
our
had
stall. Yeah,
we
they
had to wait
appreciate
for
it.
so long to take your interview. You are quite popular here.
Yes. Thanks, Ashutosh.
Thank you. All the best. Have
Thank
a
you.
successful show.
Thanks.